How to find TikTok stream key on mobile. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch TikTok app on your device. Make sure that you log in to your account. Now go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at bottom right. After that, tap three-line menu icon at top right corner of your screen. Tap Setting and Privacy at bottom of your screen. Scroll down and under Content and Display, tap on Live option. After that, you will see the option of Go Live to start the setup process. Currently, it is not available on mine. If it is on yours, you need to tap Go Live and enter a title and choose a cover photo for your stream. Then you need to tap Next button. On the next screen, tap Copy and Share Stream Link and select Copy Link or Copy URL from the menu. Paste the copied link into a text editor. Your stream key is in the URL, typically after RTMP and ending with a string of characters. And that's how you can successfully find TikTok stream key on mobile. I hope this guide was helpful. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.